Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video. I'm riding with CJ today in the new Benz. And so we stopped by to holler at Pops, man. So yeah, check this out.
Damn, look at the nose on this stuff.
What'd you say, Pops? This the one?
This the one. This the one right here, boy. Yes, sir.
Hey CJ, let the window. CJ, let the window up. It's raining.
Oh my God. Shit, and this man talking about a daily.
Yeah. This boy nice.
On a Sunday, but man. Shit.
This ain't no old man Corvette, Pops.
Man, this thing is beautiful.
Gotta drive
That,
these cars.
hit the button once, now to go up. Y'all hear it? That thing nasty, boy. Y'all hear them snap crackle pops back there? GT63s 2019. This thing is bad.
The one you got right there. You know, the comfortability of the other car was cool. The other car was cool. The noise on this thing, man, that's
The
me.
noise,
You know.
the aerodynamics.
Yes, man.
To me, this was just a better car.
And plus it's a V8. You know, I'm with the V8, man. I know these
The other
V6s
one was
is
a V8
fast,
too.
but
The other one was a twin turbo V8, and then the 53, the silver one was a twin turbo V6.
oh, okay. Because I really don't like no V6, man. Don't spend that kind of money. You gotta have a V8 for mine, man.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, this thing nasty
This
though.
thing is beautiful.
Woo. Yeah, I like it too.
Oh, God. Man, where you come from, man?
I had to go up to Crusader because I ceramic coated some Forgiatos for a guy,
No Catfish got to get his money worth.
and he
You gotta let him know.
called me up and told me they was mounting the Forgiatos, a brand new 2021 450.
Wow.
I know, so they ready for you to rip it.
Man, this thing will put you back in your seat, Pops.
Man, I bet
This
it do,
all-wheel
man.
drive.
Pops, it put me like like that.
Y'all, man, you think I'm lying? I ran to that back window. I just looked outside.
I'm like, let me tell the Catfish.
I said, where the hell all this thunder and lightning coming from, man? I looked out. Yeah, I said, that's my son.
CJ said, Catfish, I'm gonna see if he come to the door, and he ripped it one time.
I looked out. I said, that's cool.
Yeah.
What you been doing, Daddy?
I ain't doing nothing, man.
All right, man, it's good to see you feeling better.
Yeah, man.
Man,
Definitely.
Last time he came, he was like, son, you ain't gonna be able to vlog today. I got boogers and snot. I'm like, you know what, get it. Come on, man.
I was toe down.
Hey, man, all of us
He was
been
like,
sick,
he was
man.
weak. I ain't never seen Pops that weak.
Yeah.
I know how that shit hit. That's why I was scared of everything now.
And it took so long, man. You know, one day you feel good, the next day, boom, back
Yep.
down. Ah, shit.
Yep.
Guys, health is so important, man. It took that for me to learn, like, man, bro, you gotta
man.
This made him learn this time, though.
Yeah,
It
man.
got him this time.
I'm gonna say, I already ain't gotta say nothing to him, but I know you do. We practice the same thing, man. Keep that mask.
Yes, sir.
Yep, you got the shot too.
Yeah.
I did too.
Yeah, but I still wear my mask sometimes, too. For real, got to still do it.
Damn, Corey.
Man, it was good seeing you again, Pops.
It's always good seeing you.
Hey, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Because me and Pops got to talk about something off camera real quick.
Pops, man.
Hey, guys, I'm back. Yeah, we took a ride with CJ over Pop's house again. And here this beast is, boy. AMG GT63s. And y'all know it's tuned already. This thing is nasty, boy. All-wheel drive. Bi-turbo. That means it's twin turbocharged. Look at this thing, man. Look at all the carbon fiber. Look at that big screen. Roof. Alcantara. I see the AMG in the seats. And then, yeah, I see that. Yep. Yeah, this thing nasty, guys. It's real nice. See the yellow calipers. The 63 is the only one with the yellow calipers. If you see one, the 53 don't have the yellow calipers. All right, see the AMG rims on it. Carbon fiber wing. Yep. Yeah, I see it. Yep. That is CJ's Daily. See all that, look at all that carbon. Red stitching, flat bottom steering wheel with the carbon fiber on it. Yes, sir. Lighted AMG badge. Got the side skirts carbon fiber. Yes, sir. This boy is nasty. For real, for real. And look who the hell. Look who the hell that showed up.
Who is this?
My boy Marty Mott. Go
How you feeling,
gotta
Catfish?
follow my man, Life
Good
of Me.
seeing you. Yeah, man, follow your kid, man. Life of ME. It's gonna be LIFEEE of ME all together, my friends. And make sure y'all follow my man's Catfish. Y'all see what his hat say, man. Catfish Corner, YouTube.com.
You see this boy with his George V on with the J? Look at him.
Man, I got that whole head.
He clowning, man. He doing his damn thing.
Well, I got that whole head.
Yeah, we up here at Crusader Customs.
Man, who's oh my God.
Nice, ain't it?
Who's this?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Let me got my boy Marty Mart over here. This is the first time I ever seen his car. Well, the second time I seen it. They got the four Giottos on there. Look at this. They got the four Giottos with the red guts. Yes, sir. Drop top. C300. Oh yeah, he clowning, man. Yeah. Yeah, we got Marty Mart in the building. He showed up. Yeah, I had to come up here and film that truck that the rims, the gold rose gold Forgiatos. So I shot a video. You go to my Instagram page, you see it, but I got a YouTube video too. But yeah, so I came up here for that, and then CJ came up here, so I took a ride with him again, like I always do, man. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Yeah, guys, we back up at Crusader Customs again. He just turned out another one, boy. Look at this Monte Carlo. They just did the rims. Woo! I don't know if y'all can see that flake in that paint though. I don't know, but it got a blue flake in it. This thing clean. 06 Monte Carlo SS. Yeah. Y'all know how Al and them do. They turn them out, boy. Y'all see it. That thing clean too. Yep. Yeah. Diablos. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that flake in the paint though, but there's some blue flakes in this paint, but it's nice. Got the nice Diablo Sports with the blue inserts. Tinted front headlights. Yes, sir. Yeah, this thing nice, y'all. Yeah, they just got through mounting them up. Alright, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, we back. CJ done fired up the bi-turbo. Look at the ambient lighting in there, guys. See that ambient lighting? Yeah, he can change the color to whatever color he want. Y'all see the dash? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, this thing nasty, guys. I'm telling you. We just hanging out, man, vibing, man. Y'all see them AMG tips? GT63. Yeah, he can change that. See all the ambient lighting in there? He can change it to whatever you want.
Y'all see Catfish live at action, man. This is how he
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the dash.
Y'all follow him.
Look at the dash. Showing them what it is. Yep. Yep. Even the lighting is inside the where the air conditioner come out at. Lighted AMG badges. Shit. See, look at CJ.
Man, we just out here kicking it, man.
Yes,
We got
sir.
old man Catfish out here.
Yeah, we just out here kicking it, man.
Yeah.
Look at the lights on
I need
this
some
thing.
food, though.
Come on, man, let's go. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a second. We finna go get something to eat. Hey, guys, it's Catfish, and I didn't get a chance to close the video out from yesterday. So I'm at home, I'm in the garage with old girl, so I think I'm gonna close it out like this. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.